Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how you can create your very first next.js project. So currently I'm on Google. So the first job here is to search for the next.js. So when you search for it, you will get a very fast website. Simply click on the link and we are on the home page of next.js. You simply need to click on get started. Now here on the left hand side, you can see the latest version is 16.1.6. Simply click on installation because we have to install it. Now scroll a bit and here you will find various options: pnpm, npm, yarn, burn. So whatever you are using, pick one of them. In my case, I'll go with the npm. So I simply need this command here. Just copy it up to here. No need to copy up to there. Just copy it up to at latest. Okay. Let's pick a folder first. So I got this folder here, next.js project. And here I need to open the VS Code first. So there are two options to open the VS Code. Either I can click like this and click on open with code. In case you are one of the users who are not getting this option here, then you can simply put CMD here, hit enter, then type here code space dot. Once you have done that, simply hit enter and this folder will be opened in VS Code editor. Now simply close this. Now here we need to open the terminal. Simply go to view and here you will find terminal. Let's stretch this a bit. Now let's paste what we just copied from the next.js website. And here, because I want to have all the files in this folder, I simply need to put dot here. That's it. And hit enter. Now you can see I'm getting three options here. Use recommended defaults, reuse previous settings, or customize settings. In my case, I'll go with the customization because I don't want TypeScript. I don't want Tailwind CSS. In case you are okay with all these three things, TypeScript, ESLint, and Tailwind, you can simply click yes. But I'll go with the customize settings like this. Then simply press the enter key. Now you can pick if you want TypeScript or not. In my case, I'll go with the no option. Now here we'll go with the ESLint. Simply hit enter. Would you like to use React compiler? I'll go with the no option because I want to use the default Rust compiler by the next.js. Tailwind CSS, I'll go with the no. Now it's asking me to create a src directory in this folder, so I'll go with the yes. Go with the app router, simply press enter key. I'll go with the import alias, yes, hit enter again. So you can see it is initializing the project here. So finally the next.js project has been created. Now it's time to run it. To run this project, we need to type npm run dev. Let me stretch this a bit. What I can do, I can simply clear this. So type here clear. Now type npm run dev to run your next.js project. Hit the enter key. Now the project is up and running at this URL. Simply press Control key and click on it. So that's your next.js project up and running. Now let's modify this a bit. Let's go to code editor. So let's open this file, page module.css. Delete this entire code. Also go with page.js. So here, remove this part and also remove this entire piece of code. And here simply have one h1 element and type hello world. Also we'll use class name attribute here, and we'll create a class text in this page.module.css file. So let's have this class here, styles.text. That's all what you need for now. Just save it. Now here we'll create that class. Let's make the font size around 50 pixels. Make the color white. Background color will be green, or you can go with the gray. And text align will be center. That's all what you need just to see the changes. Now just save it, go to the browser, and that's the output. So in a similar way, you can edit your project, do whatever you want to do, and build your own next web app. So I hope you understood how to create an next.js project. See you next video. Have a nice day.